A powerful storm system is sweeping across the United States, bringing a mix of extreme weather that we rarely see in March. In the South, severe storms are brewing, with the potential for damaging winds, hail, and even tornadoes. Mardi Gras festivities in New Orleans have already been impacted. Meanwhile, the Central Plains brace for blizzard conditions, affecting states like Colorado and Nebraska. In Texas, the fire risk is alarmingly high, with forecasters warning of potentially historic wildfire conditions. Dry air and strong winds are creating a perfect storm for wildfires, especially in areas like Austin and San Antonio. As this system moves eastward, the East Coast can expect heavy rain and thunderstorms, with severe weather likely in parts of North and South Carolina. This storm is unusual, with pressure readings nearing record lows for March, but the rapid movement means we won't see prolonged precipitation. Stay alert as the risks are significant and evolving.